Hello, do you know that you can improve the performance of your Android phone? This is how you can make your phone even twice as fast as it is. Simply go to settings, then go to about phone, click on software information, keep tapping on the build number until developer mode is turned on. Right, mine is already turned on. Then go back again, and you see developer option turned on here. Then go down to animation scaling, Windows animation. Okay, so here, right, so you see Windows animation scale by default is on 1, so you can increase it to what, 1.5. Now your phone is going to be much faster here. And go back, you see tapping stuff, like it goes a whole lot smoother than it used to. So guys, that's how to make your phone a whole lot smarter, faster. You can even change it to 4, 5, even 10x if you want your phone to be super fast. That's gonna be awesome, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers.